Hi. What do you think when someone is called smart? You probably have an image of an educated and intelligent person in your mind. But being smart is something more than answering the questions right and getting good grades in school. Smart people are often creative, compassionate, grateful, and humble. Here are 7 things smart people don't do. Number 1. They won't say yes, unless they really want to. The more difficulty that you have saying no, the more likely you are to experience stress, burnout, and even depression. Saying no is indeed a major challenge for most people. No is a powerful word that you should not be afraid to wield. When it's time to say no, emotionally intelligent people avoid phrases like, "I don't think I can," or "I'm not certain." Saying no to a new commitment honors your existing commitments and gives you the opportunity to successfully fulfill them. Number 2. They don't waste time. Smart people don't waste time. They develop productive habits that help them work better and faster. They don't get distracted by meaningless things and unnecessary tasks. They also know that you cannot work all the time. Your brain needs some rest once in a while. Number 3. They won't let anyone limit their joy. When your sense of pleasure and satisfaction are derived from comparing yourself to others, you are no longer the master of your own happiness. When emotionally intelligent people feel good about something that they've done, they won't let anyone's opinions or accomplishments take that away from them. While it's impossible to turn off your reactions to what others think of you, you don't have to compare yourself to others. And you can always take people's opinions with a grain of salt. That way, no matter what other people are thinking or doing, your self-worth comes from within. Regardless of what people think of you at any particular moment, one thing is certain: you're never as good or bad as they say you are. Number 4. They won't dwell on problems. Where you focus your attention determines your emotional state. When you fixate on the problems that you're facing, you create and prolong negative emotions and stress, which hinders performance. When you focus on actions to better yourself and your circumstances, you create a sense of personal efficacy that produces positive emotions and improves performance. Emotionally intelligent people won't dwell on problems because they know they're most effective when they focus on solutions. Number 5. They won't live in the past. Failure can erode your self-confidence and make it hard to believe you'll achieve a better outcome in the future. Most of the time, failure results from taking risks and trying to achieve something that isn't easy. Emotionally intelligent people know that success lies in their ability to rise in the face of failure, and they can't do this when they're living in the past. Anything worth achieving is going to require you to take some risks. And you can't allow failure to stop you from believing in your ability to succeed. When you live in the past, that is exactly what happens, and your past becomes your present, preventing you from moving forward. Number 6. They won't prioritize perfection. Emotionally intelligent people won't set perfection as their target because they know it doesn't exist. Human beings, by our very nature, are fallible. When perfection is your goal, you're always left with a nagging sense of failure. And you end up spending your time lamenting what you failed to accomplish, and what you should have done differently instead of enjoying what you were able to achieve. Number 7. They won't forget. Emotionally intelligent people are quick to forgive. But that doesn't mean that they forget. Forgiveness requires letting go of what's happened so that you can move on. It doesn't mean you'll give a wrongdoer another chance. Emotionally intelligent people are unwilling to be bogged down unnecessarily by others' mistakes. So they let them go quickly and are assertive in protecting themselves from future harm. Tell me in the comments what you think, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video with friends and loved ones. Thank you for your support. I suggest you watch one of these 2 videos. I think you'll enjoy it.